Hi there, this is Drupti, and I'm so excited for you to be here and learn more about skincare basics. So by now you've already received your samples in the mail. Some of you may have a couple of different additions to this, so it just depends on whether it's the basics or the advanced. So with the basics, that's what we're going to talk about today. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is snip off the corner, take a quarter of the packet, and that looks roughly, I can get a little out, about that much is how much you're going to use. And this is a triple action cleanser, which means that it is going to help cleanse the skin, tone the skin, and also help to maintain moisture in the skin. So you massage it onto your fingertips, massage it all over the face. You want to make sure your face is damp, and then you're going to gently rinse off. This is going to help remove oil, dirt, and environmental pollution from the skin and prep your skin for your moisturizer, which is where we go next. Depending on whether it's AM or PM, you're going to use your moisturizer. This one is AM. Again, snip off the corner, and you're going to use a small amount. These are highly concentrated products, so you don't need to overuse them. Half a pump when you're actually getting the full size. This one, half a pump to a pump is generally enough for the entire face. Again, massage into your fingertips and apply all over your face. Gentle circular motions to help increase circulation and absorption into the skin. This comes in 3 different formulations: normal to dry, dry, and normal to oily. So depending on what you have, it helps to balance, address moisture needs for the skin, as well as protection from the environment and pollution around us. So then finally, the evening moisturizer is a richer, more concentrated formulation that protects the skin whilst you're sleeping from the environmental damage and pollution around us, free radical damage, and hydrate, protect, and really help to promote healthier, more vibrant skin. Your nighttime moisturizer, again, you're going to cut a corner off, and you're going to take about a quarter of the pack, which is the same for all of your other items. All right, so that is the starting of your basics on skincare with Senegence, and from here we open up to anti-aging and additional items like eye creams. So stay tuned for more info.